What's up, everybody? Back with another video. It's been a little while. I've been busy and a lot's changed. So today we're going to be putting together my Sr20. So last time, my last video I had on my SR, it was cleaning these pistons and polishing the tops. And so I was getting ready to assemble everything, and then I went and checked the block, and the block was out of spec because the outer round tolerances and the taper tolerances are like super tight. They're like in the tenths of a thousandths of an inch. So I had to go get the block board, and I went ahead and I got forged rods and pistons. So it's gonna be a little bit bigger of a build now. So that's cool, whatever. They're half a mil bigger. So I got the block board, honed, and decked. So that's all good to go. So everything's all clean, and now we're gonna start assembling everything. I've already set my piston ring gaps. I've already checked all the clearances. So everything should be good to go. So we're gonna start assembling this now. One last thing, I'm just gonna go over exactly everything that we have. So I got the ACL main bearings, ACL rod bearings, and then we got the Manley H-beam rods. We got Wiseco pistons, Tomei head gasket, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for now. Okay guys, so I'm here measuring my crankshaft in play, and looks like we got 5 thousandths. So, you see there? Oh. Five thousandths. It's almost tiny bit more than 5 thousandths, but there we go, that's a little closer. 0. It's between 5 thousandths and 5 and 5/10 thousandths. So that's good because the spec is 3 and 9/10 thousandths to 10 thousandths and 2/10 thousandths. So we're all good there. So I'm going to continue on and get the rods and pistons ready to install. so now I'm going to go ahead and clean my piston rings and install them on each piston. And we got to follow this guide as far as how to put the piston rings. So let's get that going. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and start installing the pistons. So I got number 1 all the way down at the bottom. Now I'm just going to do them one at a time. Alright guys, so it's been a while, but the bottom end is all together. So awesome. Bam. There we go. Looking good. It all moves freely. Everything feels good. So that was a success. So I think that's what I'm going to call it for today. We got the bottom end all done. Next video will probably be putting the lower oil pan in, or upper oil pan in, timing cover, maybe putting the head on. Well, no, I don't know, we'll see. But stay tuned for the next video because it'll be coming soon. But until then, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Peace.